Sheesh. More car parts. Let's see what's in there.
These nuts.
3, 2, 1, go!
What's up, guys? It has been 7 months. 7 months since I have been able to get a set of taillights. After doing the headlights, my next thing was boom, headlights, let's go, finish this. This is gonna tie in most of the car, like 99% of like cosmetic wise, that I've visualized in my head for this long. And 7 months later, now I can do it. Now, this is what I got. For those of you in the know, these are the OLM Spec CR headlights from Subaru. Well, they're actually not. So, the thing is, at least from what I have recently heard or read about, OLM and Subaru didn't take the design, all right? They probably borrowed it and got access to using the same exact design. Now, if you've been on Subaru's website trying to get a set of the OLM Spec CR taillights, you can't get them, all right? They've been out of stock for, I think, 6-7 months. Now, after waiting this long to no avail and them getting restocked, I've just been searching, hunting, and I BS'd my way onto eBay. Now, eBay and car parts isn't necessarily the best thing in the world, but for exterior, it seems to be completely fine. All right, I would never buy an eBay turbo, no hard parts, no performance parts off eBay from China. No, you get the best money, the best that money can buy for hard parts for a motor. All right. These, if you go on eBay, you type in sequential taillights 2015 WRX, you will get this design. Now, it's kind of hard to get the smoked or the red lenses if that's what you're into. I personally wanted the smoked ones. These aren't smoked, even though it said smoked, but they're clear. But I tell you what, I almost sent them back. They look a little, the lens looks dark, but they are not smoked like my front ones are, or like the actual OLM ones from Subaru. Now, like I said, if you go on eBay, you just type it in, you're gonna find them, and they're gonna be made by V-Land. I think from what I read, V-Land was the first ones to come up with this design, and these are like Neptune Auto, and they're a dealer. Now, all the ones on eBay that are this design, if you go and look where they're being shipped from, all out of New Jersey. I didn't look to see if V-Land's out of Jersey. I thought they were from China or Japan or wherever. But nevertheless, that's where all these lights are getting shipped from. I placed the order in Sunday night, and today's Tuesday, and I got them. So, yeah. I also live in Connecticut, so that could play a new role. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put these in. And another thing, if you take this, so this is not an OLM Spec CR from Subaru's website. It's off eBay. If you take this headlight, the front, the back, any part of it, you put it next to a picture or the actual OLM from Subaru, it is literally the same. It looks exactly the same wire harness, because these are plug and play. Same driver on the back, this gold one right here. Everything. So we're gonna go rip out the liner, throw them in, see what they look like. I'm excited. All right, got the liner apart in here. Pop clips here, all around. Just take them all out. And then, just for shits and giggles, I took the liner right here off, right there. Don't mind that. Not from the car. Pop clip, pop clip, pop clip. Pulls right out. snaps out. So when you pull it, go, and then repeat the same on the other side. Haven't done that yet, but yeah. And then you want to undo these 3 bolts, or these 3 nuts that are on the threaded studs that are on the tail light, and then yeah, 8 mil to take them off. Then you'll unplug this harness right here. There was a spider in my my tail light. Where'd he go? I don't know where he went. Spider. All right, time to burn the car down. Once you take those nuts off, 8 mil by the way, I'm pretty sure I said that. So what you'll do, you'll push your hand in this hole right here, and then keep another hand on the outside bracing it, and then just push it, it'll pop right out. Definitely keep your hand here because it'll come flying out, especially if you want to keep these bad boys intact for saving, later use, whatever. And then same thing on the other side, we'll repeat that. Take this, I'm gonna keep the plastic on, keep the fingerprints down, because I just got out of work and still a little dirty. But thread this in here, making sure not to pinch anything. And then there is that right there, which you have to thread into there and slide it in. And then at the same time, start putting the threaded rods in, and then you'll be moving. All right, once you get it in, plug it in, and you snug these down. Make sure you push it in all the way, nice and tap it, and then don't tighten these all the way, these nuts. Like, don't tighten them too tight, I should say, because apparently it's like 3 foot-pounds on each one, and that's not a lot, and then they'll pull out of the housing. But that's what they do, comparatively. It's freaking awesome. I actually like the single's bright. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like them because they weren't smoked, and I was a little irritated. And I ordered smoked, and they sent me clear. But it's a black base, and it looks freaking mint like this. So let me get the other side done, and then we'll come back. Sitting in the parking lot of an AutoZone. Why am I sitting in the parking lot of an AutoZone? Well, I completely forgot, when you change every single light on your car to LED, it screws up with the voltage draw that your car sees, and it makes hyper blinking, which is what I have when I plugged in both the taillight units. Well, it didn't hyper blink when I was testing it out on the hazards, and then when I got in, and then doing that. So, little module I'm gonna go buy, see if that remedies the issue. My dumbass forgot my wallet. I really should set up Apple Pay. Alright. Let's see if this works. Here's the original one. Where's that harness, baby? There you are. Oh, that's my brake. Hey, I think it worked. Let's go. Right. There's your problem fix. If you switch to LEDs and you get hyper blinkage, buy one of these. If you have a AutoZone near you, LN449, 20 bucks. Subi Speed sells one for 15. I guess that fixes it. But after shipping and handling, it's probably gonna be 20 bucks. So do yourself a favor. All right, let's go get some night shots. All right, guys, that's it for today. Links in the description for all the stuff that I use to get this going. I'll put a link into like where I bought these lights, these exact lights, the exact link. It won't really matter. All you gotta do is just go into eBay search bar, 2015 sequential WRX tail lights, and you'll find them. They look exactly the same. So yeah, hopefully it gives you kind of a guide. And then if you also have a hyperblinking issue and you couldn't figure out why, hopefully that helps. Because I had already switched everything out to LEDs, and a lot of people that are doing these on YouTube don't even have aftermarket headlights. They have stock ones. So very, very happy with the way these came out. They actually look sick. I'm not bummed that I couldn't get the smoked lenses. But yeah, maybe in the future I'll get some smoke laminate. Never use that smoke spray. Well, rednecks do that. Don't do that. All right. Peace.